What does financial freedom mean to you? It's a loaded question, isn't it? The term financial freedom might conjure different images for different people. For some, it's a beach house with an ocean view. For others, it's the ability to quit a 9-to-5 job and pursue a passion. But at its core, financial freedom is about being in control of your finances, not being controlled by them. Achieving this state of independence is a journey, not a destination. It's a process that demands time, effort, and most importantly, a solid understanding of personal finance. It's about setting financial goals, making informed decisions, and learning how to manage your resources effectively. Remember, the path to financial freedom isn't always easy or straightforward. It's filled with challenges and setbacks, but once you achieve it, it's incredibly empowering. It's the key that opens up a world of opportunities. When you have financial freedom, you have options. Achieving financial freedom isn't a far-off dream. It's a series of manageable steps. Let's break it down. The first step is understanding your current financial situation. This involves taking a hard look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. It might be a bit daunting at first, but it's essential to know where you stand before you plot a course forward. Next, it's time to set realistic financial goals. Whether it's paying off student loans, buying a house, or building an emergency fund, your goals will guide your financial decisions. Remember, they should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART for short. The third step is creating a budget and sticking to it. This is your financial roadmap. It helps ensure that your money is going where it should and keeps you from overspending. But remember, a budget isn't set in stone. It can and should be adjusted as your circumstances change. The fourth step is saving and investing wisely. This is where the magic happens. By putting your money to work for you, you can grow your wealth over time. It's about more than just stashing away money in a savings account. It's about investing in assets that can generate returns. Lastly, continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Remember, every small step you take is a step closer to financial freedom. So, what have we learned today? We've unpacked the concept of financial freedom and how it's within your reach. We've discovered the importance of understanding your finances, setting achievable goals, and creating a realistic budget. We've stressed the value of saving wisely, investing smartly, and continuously learning to navigate the financial world. Remember, financial freedom isn't a destination. It's a journey, one that starts with the first step you take today. Financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. And that journey starts with the first step you take today.